What's up guys, Johnny from TechSpace, and today we are going to do a very special suspension test. We are going to see what is the difference between friction shocks and hydraulic shocks, and we are going to use this wltoys 10428 to do this test. Now interestingly enough, it only comes with friction shocks from the factory, but this is a very cool vehicle guys. I love the look of it. Now every suspension test that we are going to be doing will be one with the friction shocks and one with the hydraulic shocks. Now I would like to see what is the difference in this car's behavior as it goes on these obstacles with the different type of shocks. Now without further ado, let's get into it. That concludes the testing of this wltoys 10428. And let me know in the comments down below which of the shocks did you like the most in terms of how it looked on slow motion and how it performed. Do you prefer the hydraulic shocks or do you like the friction shocks that come standard with the vehicle? Let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Johnny from TechSpace, and as always, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.